Is going to be flying over water, so like if something goes down, it's going to be a big problem. All right, so where are we, Josh?
We are in Germany.
Yeah.
At the Zeppelin hangar.
Yeah, the legit Zeppelin hangar. We're out here with our friends from the Drone Champions League, and specifically right now we're about to go inside and we're going to check out what will eventually become their manned racing drone. They do drone racing now, but eventually their long-term goal is to have manned drone racing, a drone that carries a man.
So DCL hasn't named this yet, but if you have a cool idea for a name, leave it in the comments below. Now, most of the time we see these manned drones, they're not flying, they're just concepts. This is a real McCoy. This is capable of flying a person.
We actually got the monocoque of the Formula 1 team of Toro Rosso.
Okay.
We basically built all the chassis around it. That's how the canopy evolved from 2019. This is all then carbon fiber and also battery compartment in the front with a real firewall also.
And he was saying you run 24 batteries?
We ran 24 batteries.
That's ridiculous.
24 batteries.
24 14S as well, yeah.
That is
24 14S batteries.
14S,
yeah.
Wow.
What brought this idea to you? Like, how long have you been dreaming of this?
4 years ago, it was always the plan, you know, that to have an entry point for everybody with a game, with a simulation, where basically everybody can, you know, learn how it works and also have fun, and then take the step, you know, first with the small drones, and then maybe one day he can be the pilot of such a big drone.
I love it. I love it.
So cool.
So friends, this is not typical to what you probably see most of the time here, and why we really love DCL. They really want everyone based on passion and talent to be able to get a foothold in this hobby. That's starting with getting first exposure through your video game, which is amazing. We've gotten to play it, and then from that point they get to go on and move to race quads, and then they can even dream bigger and do bigger, as I love to say, and go into manned flight, which I honestly, if you would have told me a year ago that this was even possible, I see some sketchy things flying on the internet, but nothing like this.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm a little tiny person right now, you know? This is incredible.
This is just like mind-blowing. We're gonna let these guys get to work. They're gonna get this thing set up, and we are actually gonna fly it here. And it's hilarious because they have this container office thing right here, and that's where we're gonna be for the first couple flights to make sure that it doesn't malfunction. It is a steel container, which is good in my opinion, because I don't know, man, this thing doesn't even have the props on yet and it's already intimidating.
All right, so right now they are knocking off the safety guards here, and once they get that up, they'll be ready to fire it up and fly it.
We leave the door open, yes, then can you hear the sound of the drone?
So we have Mirko out the one window, got the safety crew, got the video crew, and then if you look through the window, there it is.
Good.
Everybody ready?
Ready when you go.
Also mehr dann, wenn du willst.